Here we have a 2015 GMC Denali HD where we installed a Zone 5-inch lift kit. The heart of this lift kit has 1/4-inch steel front cross members. It also includes laser cut steel front skid plate, differential support brackets, torsion bar brackets, sway bar end links, and a 3-inch rear block to keep it level. Stainless steel brake lines are included in this kit, so you won't have to worry about overextending your factory brake lines. We decided to go ahead and order some custom Fox 2.0 shocks with that and install some custom powder coated Kryptonite control arms and Kryptonite tie rods to keep the front end sturdy.